Hey there, aspiring YouTubers. Have you spent hours watching YouTube videos, only to find that no one really gives you the full picture on how to start an online business? Yeah, me too. A lot of these so-called experts don't even have real experience themselves. So I decided it's time to break it all down for you. No fluff, no hype, just real strategies that can help you start a faceless YouTube business that makes money while you sleep. And before you ask, yes, this is 100% possible. All right, let's dive right in. What is YouTube automation? It's a business model that lets you run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face or even creating content yourself. Instead, you use AI, freelancers, and automation tools to produce videos that get millions of views. Sounds cool, right? But how do you actually make money with it? Let's break it down. YouTube pays creators through ad revenue. Advertisers bid for space on your videos, and the amount you earn per 1,000 views is called CPM, cost per meal. But what really matters is RPM, revenue per meal, which is your actual earnings after YouTube takes its cut. For example, if your RPM is $10 and your video gets 1 million views, you make $10,000. Simple math, right? But here's the catch. Not all content is created equal. Some niches make way more money than others. A channel about gaming might earn a lower RPM compared to a finance or tech channel, where advertisers are willing to pay more. But don't let that scare you. Sometimes, an easy-to-grow niche with lots of views can be more profitable than a high-paying niche with low traffic. Here are 3 niches that are currently killing it on YouTube. Celebrity news and drama. People love gossip. Videos covering celebrity moments, controversies, and interviews get millions of views. Some channels in this niche make over $50,000 per month. Weird sports and underrated competitions. Believe it or not, niches like women's basketball, MMA highlights, and even niche competitions like chess or esports are booming right now. Top 10 TV show moments and reviews. Channels that break down the best and worst moments from popular TV shows consistently rack up views. Think top 10 funniest moments in Shark Tank or biggest plot twists in Breaking Bad. So how do you actually create these videos without doing everything yourself? Here's the step-by-step process. Scripting. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate engaging scripts in minutes. Voiceover, AI-generated voices from tools like 11 Labs or hiring freelancers on Fiverr. Video editing, use stock footage, animations, or hire editors for as little as $15 per video. Thumbnails and SEO design, catchy thumbnails using Canva or Photoshop, and use SEO tools like VidIQ to boost video rankings. That's it. You've got a fully automated system that can churn out videos while you focus on growing the business. Here's the secret to getting results fast. Don't reinvent the wheel. Study what's working in your niche, model your content after successful videos, and add your own twist. Use competitor analysis tools to find top-performing videos and ride the trends. And don't worry about perfection. Many top-earning channels prioritize consistency over production quality. It's all about volume and engagement. Still skeptical? Let me show you some real numbers. Some of the fastest-growing YouTube automation channels are making anywhere from $3,000 to $50,000 per month, and they started with just a few videos. One of my students launched a faceless celebrity news channel and hit monetization in just 30 days. Another focused on sports highlights and made $7,000 in his second month. These results aren't magic, they're the result of following a proven system. If you want to start your own YouTube automation business and make 2025 the year you finally build passive income, now's the time to take action. Like this video, subscribe for more content, and if you want a step-by-step guide, check out the free resources in the description. Let's make it happen. Background music fades out.